Yeah, let me show you what I'm doing right now. So I'm currently installing a mini split air conditioning unit. So I got the indoor unit mounted, and the link is in the description for you. So I had to drill a 2.5-inch hole behind this unit to put the pack through. You know, the electrical and the high pressure and low pressure tubing. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and let me show you what I have on the outside. So here, just walking around to the outside, you can see the condenser unit on the ground here. So this is where the high pressure and low pressure tubing exits and the electrical wiring. So this is all wrapped in vinyl tape, and I secured it over here with zip ties to little hooks that I screwed into my cabin here. I think this is okay. Again, I'm still in the middle of the installation. So this is the condenser unit, and it's a 9,000 BTU unit. I think it draws 6.3 amps. So that's about, like, what is that, maybe 800 watts. And so my panels are supporting 800 watts, so I should be able to run this unit completely energy neutral on my batteries. So if the sun is shining, I should be able to run the air conditioning with no draw on the batteries. So I have to run a dedicated circuit, a 20 amp service out to this unit. Residential code requires you to have an AC disconnect here. I'm not going to do this because it's a pretty large, ugly box, and I don't have to adhere to residential electric code. So I'm gonna run it straight from my fuse box, 20 amp service, 12 gauge wire directly into the unit here. And I still have to connect the high pressure and low pressure tubing to it. I do need to pull vacuum on it, so my buddy is gonna come out and he's gonna help me with that. So this is where that goes. And here's the electrical signal wire. So this is gonna be hooked up right here. And underneath the cabin, I still have to run the electrical. You can see, yeah, maybe you can see it. See, this is the 12 gauge wire that I'm gonna run out here. So I still need to put in an additional fuse into my fuse box. Let me show you what that looks like. Yeah, so back inside here, let me show you my electrical panel. Some lights on. So this is the electrical panel right here. So I have another 20 amp fuse. I'm gonna put this in here, dedicated service, directly to the condensing unit outside. And I had to upgrade my battery management system. Okay, so over here you see the new 200 amp battery management system. It is fan cooled. As you can see, I have 2 BMSs on this battery. It's a 5 kilowatt hour design capacity, tested at 71%, so that's about 3.6 kilowatt hours of capacity right here. So 200 amps going into my inverter here, my Victron Multi Plus 2. So this is 3,000 watts. So 200 amps at 16 volts would be 3,200 watts, so that'll be just fine. And here you can see the wire coming out. This is behind my electrical panel here, so I still have to do some work. So more on that later. See you on the next one.